This overview of the topic of acids and bases includes all the important facts for your IGCSE exam. Let's first start with the definition of acids. Acids are proton donors. There are two types of acids, strong and weak. Strong acids ionize fully, while weak acids ionize partially. Bases, on the other hand, are proton acceptors. Bases fall into three types. First, it is metal oxides, metal hydroxides, and metal carbonates. When bases dissolve in water, they are called alkalis. Reactions of acids and bases are known as neutralization reactions, and they usually produce salts. Speaking of salts, there are three ways to prepare a salt. First is by neutralization. This is when you add excess base to the acid until no more dissolves and the solid base remains at the bottom. In addition, there will be no more bubbles if carbonates were added. Following this, you will filter out the excess base and you'll evaporate the filtrate until the solution is saturated. Finally, you'll cool down the filtrate to form crystals of the salt. The second way to prepare a salt is by titration. This is when you react an acid and alkali, and it usually requires indicators. There are three indicators that you have to know their colors. First is phenolphthalein, which is purple in alkali conditions and it's colorless in acids. Thymolphthalein is blue in alkali and colorless in acid. Methyl orange comes in three colors. It is orange in neutral conditions, yellow in alkalis, and it is red in acids. The last method of salt preparation is by precipitation. This is when you mix two aqueous salt solutions, you filter out the precipitate, then you will wash that precipitate with distilled water, and finally you'll dry it between filter papers. There are four types of oxides when it comes to their chemical nature. Oxides can be either acidic, that's for non-metal oxides. Oxides can also be amphoteric, that's when they have properties of acids and bases. There are three examples of amphoteric oxides, which are aluminium, zinc, and lead oxides. Other metal oxides are basic. And the last type of oxides are neutral oxides, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, and hydrogen oxide or water.